Hello traders, I am Keya with Keya. Now I am gonna do compound from this balance. First, let me show you our previous day's profit. You can see, there is no single loss, all were profit. Now let me show you our today's session too. First let me start the bot, just see how it works. To run this bot, you just need an access code. It's done. Now it's telling us to choose any broker. Alright, let's choose the correct broker. You can see I am using pocket option. You can use Quotex and IQ option with no loss guarantee. Okay, today we'll trade with 5 seconds time. So let's get into it. It's done. Now it's time to choose currency pairs. So let's go for it. We will be selecting the current selected currency pairs. It's done. Now let's get started. Alright, our first signal has come out. Let's trade basis on it. You can see, our first trade is successfully profit. This is the process to get signal from the bot, and it's always 101% accurate. Now let's copy the same currency and win that also. See, our second trade won too. Another profit. So this is how our bot works. You can see friends, it's very easy to make thousands of dollars by our 101% accurate signal robot. You can also earn like this. Just go to my video description and text me in my personal Telegram account. I will help you to earn like this and will give you the bot access. There are so many people are earning like me by our Telegram bot. It's an opportunity, friends, because it's very easy to make $20,000 to $50,000 per day by using our robot. So why are you doing so late to take the bot? Get the bot and recover all losses. Just go to my video description and send me a text. I am 24-hour online there. You are very welcome to take an access to our 101% accurate binary bot. I will be waiting. You will be glad to know that. We have our signal group, where we give daily 10 to 20 live signals without MTG. Still, they are all profit without any previous losses, so it's an opportunity. If you really want to be profitable like me, then welcome to Keya Signal Robot. Now enjoy the video. Look, still there is no single loss. All our profit from the starting. Well, I guess I earn a lot today. I am about to do my last and final trade. After it, I will withdraw the full funds, so stay tuned. Amazing, just profit and profit. Our last trade also won, without any single loss. Look, all the trades we just took, not even a single loss. All our profit. Now I guess, you all have gotten a good idea about this bot. Hopefully you will love it. Finally, all are done. I will be leaving now for today. Also check out in Telegram to get this 101% accurate bot. Bye friends.